It's the CanCan Toni Z auction. It'll be this Friday, April 11th at 7 p.m. Eastern, prime time, 4 p.m. Pacific. We're auctioning off all of Toni Z ZIPPO lighter collection, 21 in total, and all of them will be $20 starting bids. So $20 starting bid on each of those. So it's just a really thoughtful thing that Toni Z did for me, and thank you, Toni Z. And it'll give us another reason to hang out, and it'll be this Friday. So, all right, let me get into them though, and I'll show you what the Zippos look like. And these are, every single Zippo is going to have a $20 starting bid, $20. This is the abstract flag. This is number 1. You got the abstract USA flag. These are all made in America by the ZIPPO company. They're all brand new. So they all come in the box. That's number 1. It's the abstract flag. Again, every single one will have a $20 starting bid and no reserve. Let's go to number 2. Last one I looked for. All right, number 2 is Bombs Away Girl. I did show this one on the preview video. It's the Bombs Away Girl, pinup girl. Very cool. That is number 2. All right. This one is number 3, and it is coffee. Freshly brewed, steamy cup of joy. You got the coffee. That's number 3. Here's 4. There's a few others kind of similar but different. This one's a little racy. I like this one. This one is number 4, zipped Zippo. Ready for this one? Hold on, let me unbutton. Let me unbutton for this one. Look at that one. No comment. That one will be number 4, zipped Zippo. That's number 4. All right, number 5. Let's check it out. Here's number 5. This one is number 5, and it is the Duck Dynasty. Any Duck Dynasty fans? You got your licensed Duck Dynasty Zippo. And these are lifetime guaranteed. I forgot to mention, if you get something from ZIPPO, it's lifetime guaranteed. Anything goes wrong with it, they will fix it or replace it. So you got the Duck Dynasty. All right, so that's 5, the Duck Dynasty. Number 6 is, let's check it out. All right, and this one is number 6, and it is the spooky design. Oh, this is glow in the dark. I did show this one. And this is glow in the dark. You got the ghost and the haunted house and the owl and the graveyard and the bats. Oh, super cool. And again, they're all unused. None of them have been used. They've been touched by my hands, and maybe they're all brand new in the box. That one's glow in the dark. All right, so that is number 6. Let's check out 7. Number 7 is Memory. Oh, I did show this one, I believe, too. Yeah, this one's really cool. It's the Woman in the Moon. And it's like www.reneeart.com. This one is really cool. It's a woman on the moon, sitting on the moon. And again, they're all unused. That's lot 7. Lot 8 will be... Is 8 in here? Oh, here's 8. Yes. First try. I have not seen this one. 8 is We the People. All right, this sounds like America. We the people, in order to form a more perfect union. You got the preamble, aka the Constitution. You got the bald eagle. That one's cool. We the People. All right, that will be number 8. Hello? Oh, there we go. We the People. Number 9. Number 9. All right, here's number 9. Masquerade Mardi Gras. Ooh, this is a mask from Mardi. Ooh, I like this one. Mardi Gras Masquerade. Again, all of these have a $20 starting bid and no reserve. And Toni Z is selling off her whole entire ZIPPO collection to help out. Half the proceeds will go to me to help with my car that got stolen, our car, Mrs. CanCan and myself. So thank you, Toni Z. That's number 9. You got the Masquerade Mardi Gras. Number 10 is the Egyptian Queen. Mississippi Queen. Just kidding. It's the Egyptian Queen. This one is a little bit racy too. I might have to unbutton one more. The Egyptian Queen. Let me show it to you a little closer. Get a little closer. Now don't be shy. You can get a little closer with CanCan Extra Dry. If I start putting my name on deodorants, somebody please kick me. Put me in check. Woo, here we go. We got the Egyptian Queen. You got the little cat down there. 2015, it looks like a leopard. The spots. Helping a friend is priceless. Thank you, Toni Z. I love you, sister. Yeah, this one is, I think there might be a little fighting over that one. That's the Egyptian Goddess. That will be number 10. Or Egyptian Queen. Goddess Queen. Yes, all of the above. All right, 11. Let's turn it up to 11. All right, colorful swirl pattern. This is number 11. Oh, hey. This must be acid flashbacks I'm having. And it's glow in the dark. Look at this one. Hell yeah. I have not seen this. So some of these I have not seen. If I did not show this on the preview video for tonight's auction, I have not seen them. So this is one of those that I have not seen until right now. And dang, that thing is cool. All right, hold on. Oh, and it's double-sided. All right, so the whole thing is, yeah, that is really cool. So most of them have not had anything on the sides or the back side. This is completely encased or has the design on all of it. That is really cool, Toni. All right, so that's your trippy one for the night. Colorful swirl pattern. That's number 11. It's funny, number 11, the Spinal Tap is that really psychedelic one. Number 12 coming up. Let's find it. Where's 12? Here's 12. I've not seen this one either. Let's see what we got. Ann Stokes. Oh, so there's a bunch of these Ann Stokes. Ooh, and they're pretty cool. You got like the Grim Reaper woman with like, I don't know, eating something, an apple maybe. Ann Stokes collection. Ann Stokes collection licensed and everything. That one's really cool too. So there's a few of these Ann Stokes collections. And stay tuned. All right, so come hither, look. Yes, that's lot 12. Let's check out 13. 13. All right, here we go. So these are all new to me. This one, Dragonfly Steampunk. Oh, I like the sounds of this. Dragonfly Steampunk. The dragonfly on the top. Oh, that one is really cool. Oh, man. So again, it's got, but yeah, check this out. Dragonfly Steampunk. That is so cool, Tony. All these have a $20 starting bid, no reserve. That's 13. Let's check out 14. Harley Davidson. This is the only one I see that has this type of. This is the only Harley Davidson box that I see. The Harley Davidson Iron Eagle. Let's check it out. Again, it's got the nice. The Harley Davidson Iron Eagle. Gonna be iron like lion in Zion. Iron Lion Zion. That one is really sweet. Officially licensed, Harley Davidson. Super cool. And again, has the Harley Davidson box. These are made in USA and they are lifetime guaranteed. And they're brand new. Never been struck. That's 14, 15 coming up. Another Ann Stokes collection. Ooh, Dragonfire. Check this one out. Another Ann Stokes collection. You got the Dragonfire over Stonehenge, it looks like. Dragonfire over Stonehenge. And it's a full design. The design is on the whole lighter. But yeah, you got the dragon with the sunrise over Stonehenge, it looks like. That one is really cool. And again, officially licensed by Ann Stokes. That is number 15. There's 21. We'll be done in just a second, but these are upcoming on Friday night. And all of them have a $20 starting bid, no reserve. Half of the proceeds are donated to me from Toni Z to help with my car. Thank you, Toni Z. This is lot number 16. Let's see what this one is. Another Ann Stokes collection. Oh, I did see this one. This is the Gothic woman with the sword. I have seen this one went for. I have seen comps on this. This one went for some good money. I will let you know. This is one of the ones that I looked up, and it went for much more than $20. I'll just put it that way. This particular one, and others as well. I'm sure, but this one I saw has a lot of interest. All right, that one is 16. 17 is, check it out, Space Design. Oh, I have not seen this one. That one has a cool look to it. And I think this is complete. The design is completely around the whole thing. This one is really cool too. All right, that one will be number 17. $18 is coming up. I do see an NFL one here. A box that says NFL, National Football League. 18 is this one. Oh, Vintage Pinup Girl. Here we go. Number 18 is a Vintage Pinup Girl. Oh, it looks like Jessica Rabbit. It's a little bit Jessica Rabbit-esque. Oh, and I love this red, this like deep wine color red. Oh, this one's cool. This one is called Vintage Pinup, but it sure has Jessica Rabbit vibes, in my opinion. That one's really cool. Woo! I like that one, Tony. That's 18. Here comes 19. There's 21. Here's 19. This one is called Victoria Francis. Ooh. Victoria Francis. This one glows in the dark as well. I love those dances they do with and it looks like it's like centipedes or stuff walking and dancing. So this one is going to be 19. This is called Victoria Francis, and it is glow in the dark. I like that one too. That one looks like spider has 8 legs though, right? Not 6. Anyways, that is number 19. Okay, 2 more left. Let's go to number 20. 2 more. Here we go. Number 20 is another Ann Stokes collection. Very cool. Ooh, this has some cool purples and oh, that one's really cool, Tony. All right, so this is the last of the Ann Stokes collection. It's just black on the other sides, but it has this really cool. I'm not sure what's going on. That thing is just super dope. All right, so Ann Stokes collection, that is number 20. And then the last one is the NFL, and this is number 21. And let's see what this one is. So there you go, that has the NFL. So the only 2 that have different box covers are the Harley Davidson and the NHL, or the NFL, excuse me, I believe. And this one says NFL Tampa Bay Buccaneers. So Tampa Bay, Florida. Here you go. Any Buccaneers fans? This one is lot 21.